Racing just is started with Princess Meili. Break quickly to start. Rushing upon the outside. Right side, Fred. Fighting back. Palos. Then comes Felix Diart. Then next online now. Moving up is Alki Pangarap. Charm. Offensive comes next. Amulet Garnet. Then followed by Lucky Leonora. Then comes Money King. While the Human Torch is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Right Said Fred on its favorite position as the pace setter. Enjoying a length and a half lead. Princess Meili's right behind in second. And on the outside fighting back Alki comes next. Then followed by Palos. John offensive. Now moving upon the outside. The next online is Felix Diart. Pangarap comes next. Then comes Garnet. Lucky Leonor, Amulet, Money King. While the Human Torch is still racing in less. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now is starting to make the moves inside the last 400. Princess Meili, John offensive, now threatening danger on the outside. Then comes Alki, and they are now entering the home stretch. John offensive, now moves on the outside. Princess Meili, Alki is on the outside third. Last 100 meters, John offensive, this time by about 3 lengths over Amulet in second. Entering the finish line, Jackie Jomon, Lazaro on Charm offensive, Amulet, then comes Alki, then followed by the Human Torch.
Numero 8, Charm Offensive. Kadihado kagad. Congrats, partner Fernanco, dito sa race number 1. Charm Offensive crossing the wire first. Yan, tama na yung pangalan sa owner. Fernanco.